Question 7. We wish to represent integer numbers by using our 10 fingers. A finger is assumed to be either stretched out or curled up. How many different integers can we represent with our fingers? Okay, so this question, it would have been very fun to be in the actual exam for this, seeing the invigilators' faces when everyone starts randomly holding their hands up. Now, the way I thought about this question was as follows. So you can basically use 0 to 10 digits, okay? So please bear with me on this. So you can use 0 digits, you can use 1 of your digits, 2 of your digits, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or all 10 of your digits in order to represent numbers. So now we just need to work out how many combinations there are when using each of these digits, okay? So if you don't use any of your fingers, so imagine just holding up, well, 0 fingers, so 2 closed hands, that can represent one number, okay? So 0 can represent one number. For exactly the same reason, if you hold up all 10 digits, that can also represent one number, okay? So there's 1 for 10. What about if you use just one digit? Okay, well, in that case, you can basically just count up each finger individually on each hand with using just one finger, yeah? And it should be clear that if you do that, you just use one finger only, then you can represent 10 numbers, yeah? So imagine holding out your 2 fists in front of you and then lifting up your little finger on your left hand, putting that down, moving to your ring finger on your left hand, there's another digit, and so on, and as you go through them all, you'll get 10. For exactly the same reason, if you use 9 digits, that's basically the absence of one digit, you also get 10, because similar to before, imagine holding up all 10 fingers, remove your little finger on the left hand, put that one back up, next remove little finger, ring finger on that hand, you've got 10 possible ways of doing that. Okay, so what's the pattern then here? Well, the pattern is quite simple. It's 10, choose 1. You've got 10 fingers, yeah? And you're choosing to use one of them. What about 2 fingers? Well, that would be 10, choose 2. What's 10, choose 2? That's 45. Again, because of symmetry, you can think of 8 fingers as basically the same as using 2 fingers because it's the absence of 2 fingers. So that's, again, 10, choose 2, or 10, choose 8. It's up to you. They give the same answer. Next, 3 fingers. Again, that would be 10, choose 3. What's that? That's 120. Similar for 7. Again, 7 is just the absence of 3 fingers, which is, as far as this question is concerned, is the same as using 3 fingers. 4, I think you get the idea. I'll just fill in the numbers. And then 5. So now we've got all the different combinations that you get when using each of these fingers. Then if you just add them all up, what do you get? 1024. So the answer is E.